Okay, so I'll kind of give you guys a little bit of a close-up of so far what is coming off my face. That is crazy. Hey ladies, today I'm going to be shaving my face using the Stihl razor, and we are going to talk about a few do's and don'ts when it comes to shaving your face. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, you always want to make sure that you have a clean face, that your hands have been washed, and that you are also using a clean blade for your face. You never want to reuse them just because we don't want to spread bacteria. And so with your kit, you'll actually get a little gun pad, and then you'll get an extra razor. This is the smaller one. I currently have on the wide blade right here, so I'm going to be using this one. The smaller one is perfect for doing your mustache or your eyebrows, any kind of those small areas. So we will go ahead and next prime the face. Okay, so to prime the face, you just want to use some kind of oil or something, a non-active, that is just going to make the razor just really gently glide over your skin to really minimize any kind of irritation. So I'm just using a very gentle hydrating oil that's gonna help that blade really glide across my skin. So you can kind of see it's very kind of slicky. So I'll get that on. Next, we are going to just go in with the wide blade. So this one I'm going to use on the larger parts of my face. I will say it always seems like right underneath here is where you get the heaviest peach fuzz. So we are definitely going to hit that area today. But again, I have a brand new blade. So I will go ahead and get up close here and personal for you guys. Another thing too, when you are shaving, is you never want to shave upwards. You always want to shave downwards where your hair grows, and then at a 45-degree angle. Another thing too that you guys want to make sure that you do is pull your skin tight, just so that you can give kind of a nice grip for the razor to go across. So with those things, we will go ahead and do this side. This is crazy. That is just from one swoop there along the lower part of my face, but oh, look at that. That is crazy. Awesome. And then we're gonna go back in, kind of get underneath there. That's crazy. Can you guys see all that junk that's coming off? Okay, so there is that side of my face already. It seriously already feels amazing. It's super smooth. And then now we're gonna go in and do this side. So again, 45-degree angle, you wanna keep the skin pulled tight, and then you just wanna go down in short, light strokes. This is insane, you guys. I just shaved last week. Okay, so I'll kind of give you guys a little bit of a close-up of so far what is coming off my face. That is crazy. And then never forget your forehead. I feel like sometimes I want to forget my forehead. I just don't think about doing it. But since this is so great at exfoliation too, you really want to make sure that you get your forehead as well. So there might not be as much hair up there, but it's still really good to just kind of get that extra exfoliation. And then you can kind of get close to your eyebrows. The petite blade is perfect for more so shaping your eyebrows, but again, you guys, there's so much hair coming off of this. It is crazy. Like, I just shaved my face last week. Another thing too, you guys, when you are in between shaves, always make sure that you keep your razor with the lid on. You just want to make sure that we're not spreading bacteria in any way, shape, or form. Awesome. And then also too, if you guys do have any active acne at all, I would just skip doing that part of your face, or just kind of gently go around it. You want to make sure that you don't go over any active acne, just to make sure that we are not spreading any more bacteria. But here, I'll show you guys kind of the final. Oh, I came on my gunk pad. That is insane. Look at that. There's so much hair. Awesome. So then afterwards, you want to make sure, a don't is that you do not want to make sure that you put any actives on your face. So that would be anything like retinol, any kind of vitamin A's or vitamin C's, just to make sure that while your skin is, you know, freshly exfoliated, that you're not putting anything that could be irritating on. So then I like to go in with just this hydrating. This is literally just a very clean toner. This does not have any actives in it. So I just go in with that and just kind of wipe away the oil that I put on there. It's kind of very gentle. You guys, my skin is so smooth already. Voila, that's it. I usually like to do this at night just because I want to give my face a little time to kind of recoup after shaving, and then that way I'm not putting makeup on right after I shave. But you guys, this, like, the glow is unreal. I'm not even kidding. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.